Hi everyone, and welcome to Kwixand Solutions training video for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today we are going to learn how to access multiple companies. Okay, so to start, you'd open up your web browser, navigate to the Business Central Dynamics 365 Business Central login page, and you would enter your credentials to log in. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to the home page, which looks like this. Look for the environment drop-down menu, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen, and you'd click on it to reveal a list of available environments. And in this case, my environment drop-down menu is right here. So I select that. You can see a list of all of the environments I can access. So I'm going to switch to HW Warehouse Company. I have my cursor on it. I'm going to click. It allows me to select switch. I select switch. And once you've selected a company, the system will load the chosen company's data and interface. You can now work within that company. If you need to switch to a different company, follow the same process. Click on the environment dropdown, select the desired company, and the system will switch your content. So we'll do it one more time, and we're going to select warehouse manufacturing, select switch. When you're done working within the companies, it's important to log out for security reasons. Look for the log out or sign out option, which is usually located near your profile information. So that would be up here, and I will select sign out. And then it's a good idea to close all your browsers and close. And there you have it. Accessing multiple companies in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is easy and efficient. By using the environment drop-down menu, you can seamlessly switch between different companies while managing their unique data and operations. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can also visit us at Kwixand.com for more resources and articles around Business Central. Thanks for watching.